So friends, today in this video, we are going to learn about a split method in Java. So we can use a split method in Java to split any string. Let's start with an example. So first of all, let me create a main method, public static void main, and then string and this. After this, in this main method, we can declare any string here and that we are going to split like let's call it subscribe at Anand Kaksha. Fine. So I want to split this string into subscribe and Anand Kaksha. So how will I do that? So I just need to use we need to basically when we split any string we just need to we are going to store those value into string, so we have to use array to store those to store the splitted values. So we can write as array, and then you have to use or to split any string. You just need to use the name of the string, then call the method split. Fine. So now we can call a split method here. In split method, we are going to provide on what basis we are going to split our string. So we are going to split our string on the basis of at the rate or at the rate. So if there is any at the rate in the string, it will split the array by that point. So we just need to pass that inside it, and just now you just need to print this. So we can print by iterating method. So string and then array, and just use to print it like fine. So let's see the output. What is the output of this program? And you can see that our string has been split into subscribe and Anand Kaksha. Fine. So if there is a space, then we can just leave it as space. So it will split the string on the basis of spaces between the strings. So let's see what will be the output. Output will be the same. If I basically if I split the array a string on the basis of a letter, let's see what will be the output. The output will be on the basis of smallest a. So it will be the case based, and it will be the case sensitive. So you have to be sure that if you want to split the array string on the basis of letter, make sure you are case sensitive. You are and yeah. So that's how you can use it, a split method in Java. Hope you like it. If you have doubt, you can ask in the comment section. Till then, bye bye.